The 20th participant in the Silva challenge is Evan of the Mid-Island Custom Diecast YouTube channel. We're going to Canada. We're back into this tub. I'm arranging it a little differently this time. I'm trying to figure out, this is the 20th one, and I'm still trying to figure out what's the best approach. This is kind of cool. I try and put a plane or a helicopter in things. This is a Matchbox mission helicopter. Not quite sure what the mission is, but that's kind of cool. So I'll put that in there. Hot Wheels Dairy Delivery. That's gotta be tuned. You know what I think of tuned cars. Not a fan. Not generally a big fan of the tuned stuff. Matchbox Site Dumper. That could be kind of cool. Do something interesting with that. I usually put a forklift, and it seems like everyone. So this is a Tomica. A Tomica Toyota forklift truck. 1/120th scale is what it says. Okay. Throw that in there. Push that down to the bottom. Eesh. This is a Erdl F350. F350 dually, obviously. These have got to be the worst stickers, because they didn't even like cut it. It's just one solid sticker going right over the seam, and there's obviously, those are two body parts. It seems like the least they could have done was use two separate stickers, and those aren't decals. I mean, they're stickers. Massey Ferguson stickers. Jeez. Maybe whoever had it added it to it. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. I think that's the way they bought it. Or John Force Mustang. That's kind of cool. That'd be really odd for a post-apocalyptic build. I don't think I've thrown a funny car or dragster or anything like that in a post-apocalyptic build. So Evan, you're the lucky one. This is made by... a little fire extinguisher system. Yeah, made by somebody. Not a clue who. You could probably steal some stuff off of that for another build. That's funny. Yeah, you're getting that one. Throw that in there. Lord knows. Ambulance? Something's broken. A headlight's broken. Man, that's a putrid color. You can figure out something to do with that. If I can fit it in there, which I'm sure I can find a way. Oh, cool. A trike. A Hot Wheels trike. That's pretty trippy. That could be fun. Yeah, you're getting that one. Let's throw that in there too. I go after I look at all of these because they're so weird. Dogfighter. Plane car combo. That has a real chitty chitty bang 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 throwback. That's weird. That is very strange casting that hopefully you can figure out something to do with. That. Nah. I'm tempted to throw that in there for you, Evan, because I could see you using that roller on the front of something. Even maybe putting, like drilling into it and putting spikes or something. And mount, like cutting that and having it open in the front with spikes. Not that I'm making any suggestions here. But That's probably what I would do with it, and I'm looking at it thinking, do I want to keep it and do that? Well, that'll close. That's not diaper dragger, that's baby boomer. The engine on that is cool. That you could definitely use on something else. Part of the problem here in the box, I don't know if you can see, oh, that fits there. Okay, fitting around that Massey Ferguson truck was getting weird. Oh, I can't do that to you. I can't put two tuned crap cars. Not that I'm not giving you crap cars. I'm not saying that. I am giving you crap cars, Evan. But I'm sure some of you are recognizing things in this tub because I add to the tubs as I go, but yeah, throw that in somehow. There's probably room somewhere. I'll throw that up there because that, yeah. Oh, that's kind of nice. Oh, and that's one of the ones with the back. Well, if I can do it here. Where the back end raises and lowers for the angle of attack. Goofy idea, but I don't recall it, but I'm sure at the time it seemed like a great idea as a kid. I'm sure that came after my time. Gee, that is horrible. 927F Toys, welcome and praise. Made in China. I have no clue what that's supposed to try to be, but it happens to fit in the box. So, was it winner, winner, chicken dinner, right? Oh, God, this looks like it's twin. I can't do that to you. There's not a lot of room left in that box. It's a weird variety of stuff, Evan. Lord knows what you're going to create out of that. I can't say it's one of the easier boxes by any stretch of the imagination because that's kind of cute. That's kind of cool. I have no idea who it's made by, but check that out. That's just a cool little truck. Yeah. You can have fun with that. You can, if I can get it in here. Get in there. Yeah, what do you know? There we go. That kind of sort of fits, huh? Yeah. Yeah, somehow. Get in there. Okay. Let's see where we're at here with this. This has got to go to Canada. Okay. I think that's it for the castings, Evan. Now for 3D printed stuff. This is the last of the stuff from Time Rider. So there's a mix match of wheels that you can figure out. So let's throw those in there. I'm sure when this goes through customs, they're going to be like, what's all this rattling sound? And then just wait. There's some pipes, some jerry cans, guns. There's a couple guns. There's some other guns. I think you're just going to need to sit down and sort stuff out or just look and go like, ooh, I like that. And use that kind of, you know what I mean? Use it on the build like there's something you in particular like. Here's the part that would freak customs out probably. Some skulls. Some more skulls. More jerry cans and tanks that I printed up. I need to get my 3D printer going again. Finally yesterday. I actually cleaned it because I hadn't used it easily for a month. More like 6 weeks, 8 weeks, because I was frustrated with it. And who knew when you let that stuff sit too long? Some of it turns green. These are some cool rocket sets. So I have to get it going again so I can print up more stuff. Not only to throw in these sets. These are rockets I'm throwing in here, Evan. Some engines. Some other kind of cool big guns. But also for myself, because as much as I like, I'm trying to do casting of parts and stuff, and as much as I like on the Prius, that was all, you know, scratch built stuff or forcing it together with scratch building things. I didn't use any 3D parts on it. And for the Christmas builds, both the one that I just released, the Rudolph's ride, here's some Rams and stuff, and the build that's coming out here in probably a few days after this video, for another invitational. I didn't use 3D printed parts on that. I used parts from Mattel holiday builds, earlier holiday builds, where they had a Santa and a Rudolph and that kind of thing. But it would be nice at times to print parts. If I could print successfully all the time, I'd be very happy and not be so frustrated. But 3D printing right now for me is more of a crapshoot than anything else. So on that note, I'm going to throw some stickers and other crap in here, Evan. This will be heading to you in Canada. Best of luck with this, and everybody, thanks for watching. Have fun, Evan.